Your next news update in less than 30 minutes. Greg Maxwell on the Talk of Pittsburgh, 1320 WJ. Thank you for listening to the radio programming to activate the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
Mild. Lows in the mid-50s. And now, taking a look at... You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Parker, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWG 53, serves the following counties in western and northwestern Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Forest, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. The forecast.
Here's the hazardous weather outlook for the following counties: Bedford, Cambria, and... This is the National Weather Service office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. Here's the hazardous weather outlook for the...
Elevated risk of wildfire spread this afternoon. A combination of dry and windy conditions this afternoon will create an elevated risk of wildfire spread across northern West Virginia and eastern Ohio. Minimum relative humidity values will range from 20 to 25%, accompanied by wind gusts between 15 and 25 miles per hour. Residents are urged to exercise caution if handling any potential ignition sources, such as machinery, cigarettes, or matches. If dry grasses and tree litter begin to burn, the fire will have the potential to spread rapidly.
Donation to the charity. Check out the Fan Beer of the Month at Mike's Beer Bar. Meet us at Mike's.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. Is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert. A one-stop shop